What if your cat could go to work, cook dinner, or run a business? Using ideogram and DALL-E, we're creating the most viral cat videos the internet has never seen. Start with ideogram for generating stunning cat character designs. Use detailed prompts, professional cat in business suit at desk. Then export as ingame video A, transform static images into dynamic videos with motion prompts like cat typing at keyboard, office backgrounds, cinematic lighting. Stack these tools for maximum creativity and viral potential. The secret? Absurdist humor. Try prompts like cat chef flipping pancakes in kitchen, cat astronaut floating in space, or cat rock star on stage. Be specific about actions, lighting, and emotions, or cat rock star. Video excels when you describe movement clearly. Test multiple variations to find what resonates with audiences. Humor plus A-generated cuteness equals viral gold. Layer your video A videos with trending audio. Add comedic sound effects when your cat fails at tasks. Use quick cuts between scenes for pacing. Captions amplify humor, think witty commentary on what your cat is thinking. Color grade for consistency. Total production time, 30-45 minutes per video. The result, shareable, engaging content ready for viral explosion. Post first on TikTok for algorithm dominance, then YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Use hashtags like @catvideos day generated. Engage with comments immediately. Algorithm rewards interaction. Track which cat scenarios get highest in consistency matters. Upload weekly for sustained growth and monetization potential. Love A creativity. Subscribe for weekly tutorials. Hit like and comment your wildest cat video idea below. And dear,